Now this is a story that long been told, involving a small budgie, brave and bold. He'd sit on his perch all day long, locked in his cage he'd sing his song. Now his owner was old and frail, aged 82, her name was Abigail. Every evening she'd pet her pet, say good night and admire his rosettes. Every night that budgie would dream sweet things, like soaring over hills and spreading his wings. Then he'd wake up, still in his coop, swinging upside down from his big yellow hoop. But then this little budgie's dream didn't end there. One night Abigail was dancing to Fred Astaire. She fox-trotted right into his cage. The door flew open, and this was his chance. Three weeks passed with Abigail on her own when a police inspector called her phone.
"We've booked your budgie for drunken conduct. He's pissed off his head and he's totally..."
Abigail hot-footed it down to the station to hear the budgie's long explanation. Well, Abigail was so very stunned to hear the budgie's tale of beer and of rum. So now the budgie is back at home. She tucks him up every night, but he don't dare dream of such delights.